Enough talking!
इससे आगे नहीं आना आपने बस
महीना हो गया अभी तक भाषा बोलो
इससे आगे चलेगा
We have right to stop us.
आपको ऑर्डर दिया इससे आगे
And you don't have right to stop us. We are demanding our right. What you are blocking us?
What gives you all rights to stop us?
Do you have any right to block us?
NSP for ST NSP scholarship. For ST, all the ST is not getting any types of scholarship right now. Like scholarship is not, it's not like we are not asking them money, but it's our right. Scholarship is our right. Everywhere we did it, but this year they are doing to us like this. What is happening? I don't know, sir. We just want our scholarship right now, as fast as possible, and then please don't make a face for distributing this scholarship again. That's all, sir.
It's our right! It's our right! It's our right! It's our right! It's our If it doesn't arrive by today, that means she is cheating to us, okay? She is lying. Cheating to us. Why that he did? All the assistants are lying to us. No more agreement, no more waiting. Negotiation, money by now. We don't want information. We want her to explain us. Put her in front of us and not on phone.
Whether she is uncle or
What if I don't go through season? How do I get
Go and feed us.
I'm calling madam. I'm calling madam. Please give me some time. Whether her phone will be connected or no, I don't know. Okay.
That means she is cheating. Cheating. If she doesn't pick up the phone, she's cheating. Let's go. Director is a cheater. If she cannot take director, you better resign from your post. Resign from your post today. Liar, cheater, director. Being a Christian.
I'm speaking to madam. Okay, please give me some time.
Put on loudspeaker. We want to loudspeaker.
Don't cover your mouth.
Madam, yeah, you all are angry. Hello, madam. When evening to lagi hari, because evening pun kya wala unhan sige na. No, it's okay, ma'am. What time do we fix, ma'am? What time do we fix? Okay,
Tell her that if she doesn't come today, she is a liar and a cheater, and that she better resign from her post.
Yes.
Madam, I do not. What time do you say? 6 p.m. in the evening? Yeah, they are here. I'm with the police. I'm here at the crowd, ma'am. I'm amongst the crowd. Yeah, I'm amongst the crowd, ma'am. The police are here. Everybody is here. The student communities are here. They are asking. They wanted to meet you. Yeah. Oh, ma'am, adu evening do una nanga kaya to sir ma'am adu mo fix daw ulo nasa mata. Oh. Sige, madam said once she come back she'll meet you all.
In what time? We are going to win our face sometime.
Number one series, I'll contact you all. If you are waiting, please.
No, they're waiting. But fix the time. We are going to wait here patiently.
How do I fix the time?
Ask her, and she's going to fix it. Ex-executive has come regularly to the office, okay? But you guys never take any action on there, and no voice from your.
Sir, is 3 months not enough? We have been coming to
How many months? Not only 3 months, more than 3 months. Not only 3 months, okay? More than 3 months.
No, we are not delaying. Okay?
What is that?
It is the system. Okay, it is the system. It is not us delaying.
What about the previous year? What about in 2015? You didn't give us all December.
Why?
The second batch, once we utilize this 13 crore amount, we'll be sending UC to ministry. They will release the balance amount. Then I can make the full payment for all the students. This is the process.
When are you guys going
See,
to
I
release
have,
this?
will be the first phase release?
first phase I have released yesterday. It has gone into the account. You check, okay? Second phase.
Why not once?
No, once is not possible. Your general secretary knows, okay? I've explained the procedure so many times to them also.
3 months
I've
explaining is
explained
not
to them.
enough.
The procedure is such a way that
Right now you say they doesn't
No,
come
wait.
to the office. Then why are you
I
lying?
have met them many times. I may not have met you all. I've met your executive.
Yeah.
One Mutsu also I've met them. I'm in touch with them also. So there, yes, actually I know. He's Tarin Namai. I know him. I've spoken to him, explained the matter to him also. See, there is a system, okay? Ministry, there is a system. So, Tarin Namai, please, my humble request to all of you, don't be agitated. We have released your first part payment, 9,800 students they will be getting by tomorrow. Some have gone in yesterday, okay?
Where is our request? Where is our appeal?
Please, let me explain. Tarinamai, you know better. Please inform your colleagues also. Tell them it is not as delayed. I have processed for 9,800 students. There are 24 odd students pending. Once we utilize this fund, I'll be submitting UC to ministry. They will be giving us the remaining amount. Then in the second phase, everybody will be covered. Last year also the second batch payment we did in the month of January. Okay, because of the delay. No, it's not delay. Okay, it is by the NSP card. Yes. Yeah, I have explained to you also.
Explain them.
Yeah, at least they should understand. They should understand. See, my dear students, it is not us delaying. Okay, it is not us delaying. It is by the NSP card system. Okay, it is by the system itself. It is by the porter. I cannot do anything on this. Okay, once this 3,000 has gone. Okay, these people have received. There is no issue. With this 6,626, there was one candidate rejected among the batches. So the whole batch has returned to me. I will be applying DAC again. This one. So see, this one fellow rejected counts. That is why the whole thing came back. Okay. So once this fellow, we will be removing this fellow. We will be pushing for payment for 6,625 again. Amongst this, if there is one more reject again, the whole thing will come back again. I have to repush payment. But this will be done in the next 2-3 days. It will be done. It is not me. Okay. It is by the system itself. So you all have to understand.
Kasina Sathariba hesitation se akhoi pending scholarship se tha ani ahom ngai se lagunda akhoi satra myam se sumchang da cross hogan hesitation as a form of democratic hesitation when it's a se hin bane. So as the assistant director has informed us magi officer laga akhoi executive kra laga memorandum of understanding kra inare se haina bagi akhoi some of the executives will be going, and akhoi gi memorandum of understanding in until and unless akhoi ST gi scholarship gi positive impact akhoi gi favor the lak tripau de akhoi akan ba mong the hesitation jata gini